Hey, that's so tea.
Why would you do that? What?
Did I scare you?
Yes. There's the biggest spider in the world out here.
Come on, Chris, let me watch you kill it.
What?
Let me watch you kill it.
Oh, well, we lost it.
I didn't mean to scare you.
Oh, I can see his legs.
Ugh, Dad, there's a brown flute out here.
Is it? Really?
Dude, it's huge.
You see him?
What do you have in your hand to spray it with?
I see it.
No,
Should I spray it again?
Hairspray?
How do you know?
That's good, that's
Oh,
good.
God, he's scared me.
Is that hairspray?
Oh, no, I can see him. Oh, my God.
Hold on, okay, calm down.
No, I'm going to get him again.
No, listen. He's dying. Spray him.
Dude, that thing is huge.
Was it a tarantula?
No.
It looked like a small one. Here, spray it under there.
Like, shoot that pointy thing up underneath it.
Terrible with the light.
So are you. Okay, be careful. What if it jumps out? I see. Oh, I see him.
Okay,
Yeah,
where?
He's coming.
Where?
He's right there. Look at.
No, I don't. I
Look
can't
at.
see.
Get down there, okay? Nothing's coming out of there when you're doing that.
Yeah, it was. It just goes in a straight line. Fucking bottle.
Get that cockroach.
What do you mean get it?
It's next to our house.
I'm not getting it.
Come on, get away from the door.
Our house is infested with nasty creatures.
Cockroaches die for anything, man.
Oh, get
On YouTube.
Look
on
at
the
the spider.
door. Oh my God!
He's not dying.
Oh Lord!
Oh man, I done did it now.
Why are we walking this?
You want to go inside?
No, there's a goddamn cockroach on the door.
Dude, look at that guy. Smush him, babe.
I'm not fucking pushing him. Dude, he's on the handle.
Oh. Hold it. Don't spray that on the door. Don't.
I'm not going to.
What? Oh. Oh.
Oh, he's trying to get out of the house. He's trying to get out of the house. I gotta spray him. I gotta.
He jumped. He died.
Get out of there.
Oh, girl.
We done pissed these motherfuckers off.
They're all coming out now.
Oh.
It's an army. Hey, those guys jump. Don't do that. Look at cockroaches don't die, dude.
Okay, we need to do something. Go get a newspaper. Go get the newspaper off the driveway.
Yeah, well, there's another spider.
Oh my God. Okay.
You got him?
Got him.
Hang on. Let me have that. Okay, you need to hit him hard.
I'm not gonna. Oh, where'd he go?
We lost him.
Put the flashlight.
I am.
You are the worst flashlight person ever.
Oh, is he in the crack?
Oh, fudge. It's gonna get gross. Oh no,
No, not in the powder. Not in the powder. Man, dude, those things don't die. He's hurt.
Don't get the powder on you.
Oh, we got him, girl. God, I'm getting good at this. Dude, that spider is something else.
Oh, Jesus Christ, he's suffering. Oh, there's another one.
Where?
That's another goddamn spider. What is going on?
Oh
Every
my
time
God, that's
sprays.
huge. What is happening? He's over here. He didn't spray.
Whatever.
What is going on? Oh, dude. Those are some massive bees.
Where are these? Like, I feel like I'm in arachnophobia.
I got him. Moving, but he ain't gonna survive that. Oh.
We need actual, like, roach spray or spider spray instead of scorpion spray.
Okay, we got it. Oh my god.